I did a little bit of shopping recently and I want to show you what I've added to my wardrobe. The first item are these sunglasses from Gentle Monster. I bought these when I was in Dubai about 2 months ago and I've been getting a lot of questions about them. So they come like this in a white box. The design is very simple, and inside here there's like a sunglasses pouch which is also in white. Let me show you how they look on me first because I think these are quite flattering for my face shape. So they look like this. On the sides, there are these 3 dots, which are their very iconic feature. I would say the design is quite minimal. There's this Gentle Monster logo on the side, but nothing too elaborated. What I find really unique about these sunglasses is that they have a fairly flat profile. So even though everything is black, they somehow stand out when you have them on. These are also very big, which I love. In fact, sunglasses are one of my favorite accessories of all time, so I don't mind them making a bit of a statement. However, if you find these a bit too overbearing, they do have these in a smaller size, and I believe that collection is called hers. My husband preferred those because these are quite big, but you know what? I chose to listen to myself and I've been very happy with these. One thing I do want to mention is that the sales associate took quite a bit of time to adjust these for me to make sure they fit my face perfectly. But I've been told that these sunglasses are made of a softer material, so it's recommended that you drop by a Gentle Monster store every few years to get them adjusted. So just something to bear in mind. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I have been interested in Gentle Monster for a long time, but there isn't a store near me, so I had to buy these when I was traveling in Dubai. Also, these are the first pair of sunglasses I paid full price for. Some of you know I love shopping for sunglasses at the duty free when I travel. For example, these Gucci sunglasses. I wear these very often in my videos and I always get a lot of questions about them. Many people ask what model they are and I honestly have no idea because I bought them at the airport. Anyway, I'm yet to see these Gentle Monster sunglasses at the duty free, so I decided to pay full price for them, and so far I've been really enjoying them. I think these go so well with a lot of things I wear. Next, I'm going to show you 2 pairs of slides or sandals, but I'm probably only keeping one of them, and you're more than welcome to share your opinions. So the first pair is from Eileen I, and these sandals are in this beautiful brown color, and this color is called cognac. Some of you are probably not surprised because I did mention I was interested in these shoes. Now, just for a bit of context, for a long time, I only had 1 pair of sandals in my designer shoe collection, which were the Hermes Oran sandals. These look lovely, but they are not the most comfortable shoes to walk in. They don't hurt per se, but because the soles are completely flat, I just don't feel like my feet are properly supported. So if I know I'll be doing a lot of walking, these shoes won't be my first choice, which was why I have been looking for sandals or slides, which are both comfy to walk in and nice to look at. Anyway, these are the Nina Bing Lazy Sandals. They are true to size and so very comfortable to wear. As you can see, the straps are made of this very puffy and soft lamb leather. The straps cover a good surface area of my feet, so when I walk, the slides don't flap about like my Hermes Oran sandals. The insoles are fully lined with leather, and I love that they've taken care of the aspect of support. I would say these are very low-key, but there's this very tiny hardware on the sides, and for me, this is a very tactful way to showcase the logo. Now I know this might be a bit of an acquired taste because they are not the most delicate shoes, but I actually think they look very cute. I love the color as well. I think these are very neutral, but they're also very vibrant for the warmer days. The next ones are these slides from COS. I was interested in these because we are going to a beach holiday and I wanted something that I can wear not just to the beach but also to the bars or the restaurants. Anyway, I think you'll see a lot of similarities between these 2 pairs of shoes. First of all, there's hardly any hardware on these shoes and they're both made of 100% leather. Secondly, they are true to size and so comfy to walk in. The design for these COS cross slides is quite simple, but I really love the knot details because I think they make the shoes look so much more interesting. Now, I do like the black color a lot, but at the same time, I also wish they had these shoes in a tan color like the Eileen I. So at the moment, I'm contemplating if I should keep both pairs or just one of them. I've said in a previous video that I'm not looking to really expand my shoe collection. In fact, before this, I had only bought 2 pairs of shoes in the last 5 years, and one of which I've given to my sister. So I'm always trying to be sensible, but I do need a pair of comfy sandals now. Anyway, please let me know what you think. Which pair do you prefer, or would you keep both? Now, if we just focus on the pricing, these slides from COS have excellent value for money. In fact, these Eileen I cost about 4 times the price of these. So if you're on a budget, these COS slides are a very good option. But if I must pick on something, the leather on these Eileen I slides does feel quite a bit softer. Like I said before, we are going on a beach holiday. In fact, please have a guess about where we're heading this time. Anyway, I'm planning to dress up a bit more for this trip, so I was really excited when Fabric sent me this lovely dress because I think this will be perfect for where we're going. So this is a gorgeous crochet dress from Fabric and it's in this lovely beige color. This is so beautifully handcrafted and the material is made of this very soft yarn, so it feels lovely on the skin. I really like the idea of using crochet on this piece because the details just add a lot of dimension to the dress. So even though this dress has a very neutral color, it looks anything but boring. As you can see, they've designed the crochet to be quite loose. So this dress is actually very lightweight and breathable. It doesn't feel stuffy whatsoever. This is actually my very first crochet dress and I really enjoy the shearer aesthetics because it just looks super casual and relaxing. Now I've seen certain crochet dresses where the crocheting can be quite sparse and therefore the dress might look a bit more revealing than I prefer. But this one has the perfect balance. On the sides, there are these slits which come up quite high, so it's really easy for me to move about. I also love these tassels on the drawstring. I think they accessorize the dress so well and in a very chic way. And by the way, this dress is designed by an Italian designer who used to be the head of women's wear at Valentine, which is a luxury cashmere brand. To be honest, I'm not surprised because in person, the details are really quite stunning. And you can just tell this is the work of a great designer. I think this is such a charming summer piece. It comes with a separate lining, so you can definitely wear this as a summer dress. But I'm also thinking to wear this as a cover-up on top of my swimsuit when I go away. Thank you to Fabric for sending me this lovely dress. They work with hundreds of amazing designers worldwide, so a lot of the pieces are very unique. In fact, some of the designers used to work with luxury brands like Gucci as the senior designers, so I'm sure you'll find something very special. My plan is to keep this dress as my staple beach holiday item, especially because my family love going to beach holidays. So yeah, I cannot wait to wear this. The next one is this very simple dress from COS in a light grey color. They call this a t-shirt dress, and they are right because this is basically a very long t-shirt. This has a very plain design with a flat silhouette, and I personally love the loose fitting. I bought this because I have 2 other similar dresses which I wear a lot and I just wanted something in a lighter color. Now, I don't know what it is, but I love having pockets on my casual dresses, so this dress is right up my alley. I think this is a fantastic building block for any summer wardrobe. It looks very chic on its own, but you can also accessorize it in any way you like. If you're a bit bored with shorts and t-shirts for the summer, but you still want something very casual and comfortable, I think this dress is the perfect alternative. Besides, I feel like regardless of your body shape, a simple casual dress like this one will always look good on anyone. Now, I'm usually a size small, but I did go down 1 size for this dress and I really like the way it looks on me. Last but not least, I want to show you this raffia bag from the Millie London. In the previous video, video, I reviewed 2 bags from this brand, both of which I wasn't crazy about because they just didn't align with my styles and needs. So after that video, I politely asked to return those 2 bags, and the brand was very gracious about it. And they even asked if I would like to try out this capri bag. And I said yes, seeing I'm going away, and a beach bag sounds very handy to have. I'll give you a very honest review after I put this bag to use, but so far I have a very good impression about it. This looks so chic and beautiful. The bag feels well made, and obviously it can fit a lot. Recently, there have been a lot of scandals related to luxury brands. Rightfully, a lot of people are quite upset about the current luxury landscapes. That's why I wanted to give this bag a shout out because it might be something worth supporting for you. So these bags are handcrafted by female artisans in Madagascar. The women community there are very skilled in weaving and crocheting, and through making these bags, they are now able to support their families. Not only that, the Million London is also working with a children's charity. So with every bag you purchase, they will fund the vaccination and medical treatment for a child in need in countries like Somalia. I'll leave a link down below for this bag if you're interested. So those are the new pieces I've added to my wardrobe, most of which are for the summer and my summer vacation. Again, please let me know which pair of sandals do you prefer. That's it from me today. Take care and I will see you soon.